So, dear students, good morning. So, students who are in the online, am I audible? Can you please confirm it once? Okay. So, let us move to the further discussion. I hope that last class we started what topic? Which topic? Operators we started. How many types of operators? 7 operators are there. So, let's go to the operators here. In that, we started operators in Python. So first category of operators completed. How many arithmetic operators are there? 7 arithmetic operators are there. So that also explained in the last session, and we did some examples, and I gave some type of assignments also, right? So arithmetic operators list I gave you. First operator, second operator, third. 1, 2, 3 are very simple. 4, 5, 6, 7 are very, very important. So that we have already discussed in the class, and in the last class we did some programming examples also on that area. Yeah. So today's class we are going for discussing some other operator that is called what? Assignment operators we are going to discuss. So let us start with second operator is called assignment operator. Look at that. Very easy, not a difficult at all. Look at that. So let us go to the Python command prompt. So there I am having something like this. Look at students. From the beginning onwards, I want to place some value. Some 123 is the value. 123 is the value which I would like to place it into the variable called A. Which I would like to take it into the variable called what? A. So that 123 is A is equal to 123. I am using one symbol called what? Is equal to, is called what operator? Assignment operator we can call. So the right hand side value, RHS value this is called. Right hand side value is assigned to the left hand side variable. Who is going to do that? Who will do that type of transferring? Equal to operator will do. Okay, that is very simple. We understand. B is equal to some 100 I am taking. Assignment operator even. Some C is equal to A plus B. I am writing right side A plus B. What is A plus B? Expression. That too you need to say. Arithmetic expression we can call. What expression it is? Arithmetic expression we can call. So it is adding the data and keeping it into left side variable again. So it is not only keeping the value assigning to the left side variables, it is calculating the expressions and keeping the values in the left side variables. So this is comes under what we are learning from the childhood days onwards. So if I come to the example part, this is come to the example part, we are learning from the beginning days onwards. It is one simple example on this area. So I need not to discuss the symbol here called what? Equal to. But today's my intention of this Python why I am introducing is print of ABC I will say. ABC I will say I will get the result of like this. Okay, it's well. Now my interest in today's class is same operation I do in something different. A comma B is equal to 123 comma 100. A comma B is equal to 123 comma 100. That is nothing but multi-line assignment we can call. Multi-line assignment we can call. 123 kept into this A and 100 will be kept into this B. Understand? What this equal to operator is doing? Transferring RHS values. Is it transferring one value or more number of values? More number of values to the more number of left-hand side variables. What is this assignment operator is called? Multi-line assignment we can call. Spell out once. What is this assignment called? Single line assignment. What assignment? What is this assignment called? Very good. And print AB. Print A comma B you print. What are the values are printed? 123 and 100 is printed. Now you do C is equal to what? A plus B. C is equal to A plus B. Now print of C. Is it coming the same answer like previous or not? Here 223 is there. Here also 223 came or not? Which is which assignment? multi-line assignment. Spell out. Now you see A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. Sum comma sub comma MUL multiplication is equal to A plus B comma A minus B comma A star B. What is this is called multi-line assignment calculation or not? What is this is doing? A plus B calculated and kept into where? Sum. A minus B calculated and kept into where? Sub. A star B calculated and kept into where? MUL. Now I will print that. Now I will print that. What is this? First A comma B you print it. Next you print of what? Sum comma sub comma. What is that? MUL. Now I'm getting the result as what? 30 minus 10 and then what? 200. Are you understanding this calculation part? All of you. How many types of assignments are there? Come on. How many? 2 types. One is and one more is right. Coming to the point of it, it's not only numerics you can take it. SNO comma SName comma marks is equal to I will take it as 100 and next is called row sum here. Now I'm writing here something like 44.44. Now print here STNO student number. I can say student number. You already know how to print it. Dot format of what? Come on fast. SNO. Next is called what? Student name I can say. And the name is printed. So like this, like S spelling mistakes you take there, ma. Yes name. Yes name. And then marks you take it. Student marks I can write it. Student marks is equal to, I say format of what? Marks. I'm taking format of marks. So it is going to print the data like this. This line of control, you have to understand that it is called which feature? Multi-line assignment. This is called which feature? Multi-line assignment. How many types of assignments are there? Right. What is the use of assignment operator first of all? Transferring RHS values to the LHS. Maybe value by value all at once. Okay. See that. The symbol for, I'm not writing a table because only one symbol is there now. The symbol for which operator? Assignment operator is like this. Next I'm writing the purpose. Symbol for assignment operator is like that. The purpose of which operator? Assignment operator. The purpose of assignment operator is that to transfer which values? RHS value in the bracket values, maybe one value or more number of values, to where? LHS variable or what? Variables. A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. LHS, how many variables are there? Multiple variables are there. Value by value, values by variables, right? Done. Next, we can use the assignment operator. We can use the assignment operator in how many ways? 2 ways we can use it. They are. What is the first one? Single line assignment operator. Second one is what? Multi-line assignment operator. Come on guys, single line assignment operator I can say. What the single line assignment operator is doing? Already you understand. And see that I will write it. Single line assignment operator transfers single value of RHS. This operator transfers single value from where? RHS to where? Single variable of of what? LHS. Single variable of LHS. Single value from RHS to single variable of what? LHS. What is the syntax? Come on, fast. What is the syntax? Variable name is equal to what? Value. That's it. Variable name is equal to what? Value. This is a 1. And example, you see, this is an example here we have. Okay, fine. And print this ABC here. Print A, comma, B, comma, C. It is going to print the result as 123, 100, and next is called 223. This is the result which is getting printed. So single line assignment operator we understand. And this already we know from your childhood days onwards. Multi-line assignment operator, I want to take it. Multi-line assignment operator, I want to take it. Come on, do it. This is called multi-line assignment operator. I say single line. Okay, here also I will write single line. Single line assignment operator. Before also I am writing. Single line assignment operator also I need to write it. Okay, so done. Coming to this multi-line assignment operator. Multi-line assignment operator. So this operator transfers. Come on, ma. Multiple values. This is what I want to consider. From where? RHS to multiple variables of what? LHS. Come on, say what is this? Variable 1 comma variable 2, so on what? Variable n is equal to value 1 comma value 2 comma so on value n. How the transferring will be there, that is an important. Don't misunderstand. Value 1 to variable 1, value 2 to variable 2, value n to variable n. This is a correct mapping. You cannot think like this. You cannot, because some of the students will get unnecessary this thought. This is called a wrong process. Understand? That's why I will write here the values of val 1, val 2, so on what? Val n are assigned to variable 1, variable 2, so on what? Variable n respectively. Are you following? Respectively. This is a syntax, and then code we understand. So let us go to the example section. If you want, I can take this part of it. I can apply example. So under this I will write it. See students, I will take care of it. Done. And I will take care of this sum and subtraction. And if you want to print it, last and final I will say STNO, comma, STNO na? SNO na? Forget already, right? S name, comma what? Marks. So this is an output we are going to get it here. This is an output we are getting for multi-line assignment. We are getting printed like this. Are you following this? What is this line of assignment? Yes. So Ankit, 2 values and 3 values in RHS. So that is called wrong. And I need not to test it. 2 values left side, 3 values right side. That is, I need not to test it. Even a small kid can understand that is a wrong. So don't waste my time by asking those kind of doubts. Right? So that type of things I don't want to, because around 6 to 7 years back, one of our Java student went to interview. In one of the interview, of course, that is not a company at all. It's a gully level company. They asked a question. They shown a keyboard and they asked a question. In this keyboard, if I press 5 keys at a time, which key will be printed? If I press 5 keys, which key will be printed? That is the question to one of our student. That type of questions, if I want to answer in the class, that is very difficult. 2 values left side, 3 values right side means it's not a question. If I am a student at that time, if I take a keyboard and if I press 5 keys, which key will be printed? I will ask one question to that guy. If I take the keyboard and if I break your head, head will break or keyboard will break, first I will ask. So which one will break? That person has to say which one will break. Right? So that type of questions, absolutely completely not possible. Wrong, that is. I don't want to entertain that kind of things. Sit properly. No, yourself. Everybody is okay. You only you. Right. So come to the point of it. So nice answer. Okay. Very good. Santosh. Yeah, because that type of questions, if anybody asks, any meaning is there? So if I press 5 keys, which key will be pressing? It's unbearable question it is. So I said the same thing to my student. He said that my student is looking different. Is it a Java question or a general knowledge question? It is not a, he asked, sir, it is general question, na? He said, no, it is a irritating question, I said. Irritating question only, na? So that type of things, we don't want to concentrate. Understand? Open the notes. Have you done assignments? Everybody? Really? Okay. So students in the online, have you done assignment? Okay. Very good. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept 2 integer values. Of course, simple. On this area I am giving. Which will accept 2 integer values. Which will accept 2 integer values. And compute all arithmetic operations by using multi-line assignment, which will accept 2 integer values or which will accept 2 numerical values, whatever you like it, which will accept 2 numerical values, which will accept 2 numerical values and compute all arithmetic operations by using multi-line assignment operator. Multi-line assignment operator. Multi-line assignment operator. Here you see, I just wrote few of them already. AB values you will accept it, and I will do what in a single line: sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, exponentiation. You will write a plus b, a minus b, a star b, comma, a slash b, a double slash b, a percentage b, a star star b in a single line. Very important that is. Why I am saying this? Because in the network programming, in multi-threading, in NumPy, that is important. That's why I will need to cover in the operator level only. Is it possible? Understandable? Yeah. So let us go to, that is, I hope you can do. One more. Write a Python program. That is assignment for you. That is an assignment what I said. Now I am going to tell. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept any two values and swap them swap them. Swapping is nothing but interchange. Swap them or interchange them. Swap them or interchange. Using multi-line assignment. Yeah. Let me show you at the testing level, my dear students. Testing level I am going to show you. Testing level. Testing level means which one I will apply? Command prompt, na? Python command prompt I will open. See students, all of you. A is equal to 10. A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. Okay, na? Print of what? A comma B. 10, 20. Now say A comma B is equal to B comma A. A comma B is equal to B comma A. Don't see like that. What is the value of B? Come on. 30. 20. 20 kept in where? A. What is the value of A? 10 kept in where? B. What is the value of AB printed now? 20 and 10. What is this line? Multi-line. First of all, are you following? A comma B is 10, 20. A comma B is equal to B comma A. B value kept in where? And A value kept in where? And nothing is there. So print of AB again, 20, 10. A comma B is equal to Python, comma what? Java. Print AB, Python, Java. Now exchange. A comma B is equal to B comma A. Print AB, Java. Okay. A comma B is equal to 10 comma KVR. 10 comma KVR. Print AB, 10 KVR. Come on. B comma A is equal to A comma B. Anything. So print of AB. If you have a subject, you can do like anything. Am I correct? If you have a very good hair, you can comb any direction, back, front, anything you can play. If no hair, only bypass road or ring road means it is a problem. That's why improve your subject like anything. Are you understanding what I'm talking? So this is applying what type of data? Any type of data is said. Shall we write the code? Yes. So let us go to the code. Shall I show you in the Python? So this is called PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE. We'll go to that PyCharm. So go to that.
About only the practical knowledge here.
JetBrains is a company. PyCharm. Download. Download PyCharm IDE. Here we are having two things. One is called what? PC, PyCharm, for both scientific and web Python development. With this thing, you can develop HTML, JavaScript, SQL support, lot of things. There is a thing is available. Professional edition is there, and the next is called what? Community edition is there. You have to download what? Community version. Because if when you go to the professional version, it is only free trial is there for 1 month or 20 days or 15 days, depends on it. Maybe 1 month is given. After that, it will ask you about what? License. Key you need to enter. Key will be provided when you buy it from the JetBrains company. So why should I bother about the professional version? Why should I bother about the money paying and all those things? I can download what? Community edition. So when you download community edition, it is a permanent, it is available with you. Click on the download. In a few fraction of seconds, it is downloaded. Click on it. You know how to install it. Install, next, you say it is installed. Once it is installed, you see I am showing you how to install. You just go for it. Once again, I am showing, go to the browser and say that it is called what? PyCharm download. Here it is available. JetBrains is a company which is developing this. Click on it. It is download PyCharm, and it is a professional edition as well as what? Community. You can click on where? Community. It is a free and built on what? Open source. You can download it. Are you understanding, students? Version is 2021. 31st January 2022 it was released. You can download it. Once you download, it is available on your desktop like this. Click on it. How to do it I am showing. Different ways of IDEs. Programming remains same. So it is the one which is having by default. So it will be taking some few seconds of time for launching everything, loading some sort of this, etc. These are my existing things which is already having some project. Click on it and say that go to this place, or if you want to, you can go to this place. Close this project once. Once you close this project, closing this project, it is available like this. If you open first time, here, these are the projects what we have. These are the projects what we have. These are the my existing projects. Now, when you open newly, it is opening like this. What do you have to take? Come on, first. New project. By default, it is available in black screen. It is available in black screen. If I don't see, you might be fall down from the chair. That much good sleep you are in. So, coming to the point of it, new project you need to take. Actually, by default, it is in which color? By default, it is in black. So go to this place. Go to this place. Here, I will show you that. Let us choose what? New project. Because project is a collection of programs. Everywhere else, first project is supposed to create. Right. It is asking you the project. C:users Naresh IT, PyCharm projects and projects. Now I am going to take my project name. You give your project name. Give your name. I say KV Pro or KVR Pro. I said KVR project. So I will say KVR project. So see that it is giving my own environment and asking you create below one. Come students, all of you come to below the screen. All of you come to the bottom of the screen. There is an option called create. There is an option called create. There is an option called create. Click on the create option. Create. Now it is going to open one project. Wait for the project. It will be done. And I cannot write in the notes, go to that, take the mouse, click on file, project, which is a waste of time. Okay, once you do 1 or 2 times, now you will get practiced. Right. So it is launching here. Now, so some virtual environment is creating. Virtual environment means a folder is created with all libraries will be provided, which I will show you. Just watch it. Yeah, this is called what? Your project which is created. Under KVR Pro, see that external libraries means what? DLLs, extended libs 3.9, environment, everything is provided. So such type of predefined things are provided for you. At present point of time, it is not necessary. By default, it is given a main.py. And I don't want this at all. I don't need this. I don't need. Go to your project, go to this project, say right click, my dear students, and which file I want to write in that project? New, which file I want to write it now? Python file. I can create a normal file also. I can create a JSON file also, CSV file also. I can create many more files in the further. I'll go for what, ma? Python file. What is the name of the Python file? Swap.py. Now I am taking swap.py. It's my program is ready. And I taken as white in color. Actually, it is in black in color. If you want to change it, go for that. Settings is there. In the settings, there is an option for you. There is an appearance. My dear students. Where it is? Appearance. Beginning. Appearance and behavior. Theme. Windows 10 Lite, I took it. By default, you have something like a dark blue, something like is there. Windows 10 Lite, I took it. Windows 10. And the size of that is 16, I said. Size of that font size is 16. So I need not to touch this kind of thing. It is having something like this. I need not to worry about that. So I changed my thing where student can see with a bright light. Now come on to the point back. Come on, students. What is my program name? Swap.py. This program, I'm just writing for your clarity purpose. This program swaps two values. Can I get the data from the keyboard now? Yes, please. I forget. How do you write it? Int of. Int you don't write it. Input of. Come on, students. Input of. Come on, ma. Enter value of A. Enter value of what? A. Okay. B is equal to what? Input of, I say, input of, enter, what is this next? Value of B. Value of what? B. Yes, enter value of B. I got two things. A and B, I got it. Tell me, Next, what should I do? Print. What should I say? Something like this I said, some 50. Next I said, print original value of A. Of course, you can do this. Original value of A. Original value of A. I said dot format of what ma? A. Similarly, I will take it. Value of B also I will take it. Value of B. Yes, done it. Now I will take it. Now I will take it. Swapping logic, I will write it. Can I write the swapping logic? Yeah, I will write it. Swapping logic. Commenting I am writing. Commenting, you know. Hash. Swapping logic. Come on, students. A comma B is equal to B comma A. There are so lot of logics I will tell you. Already you have done in your childhood days one logic. T is equal to A is equal to B is equal to T. That is already you know. I will tell you the logic of values with the bitwise operators also I will tell you. Bitwise operators also I will explain. Okay. Right now, don't worry. See that. Yes, swapping is done. Now I want to print the values or not. How do you print, my dear students, values? Come on, here. Interchanged value of swapped value of A. Swapped value of A. I will print swapped value of what? B. Swapped value of B. I will take swapped value of A and swapped value of B. I will say 50. So let us go for saving this. Control S. Control S is nothing but what? Save. You already know that. And go to this place. I can say, yesterday only I told you, how many ways are there to execute? How many ways are there to execute here? Right click and say what ma? Run swap. Run. Behind the click of run swap, which tool was there? Py tool was there. Python tool was there. Understand? Run. Run. See, my dear student, screen was very clear. Enter the value of A, 10 and 20. See the result of that. 10, 20, 20, 10. Understand, students? Okay. Next, I will go for once again if I want to run it. Go to where? Run option is there. Run swap. Run swap. Again, enter the value of this KVR and enter the value of this Python. I will say like this. KVR Python and Python KVR. Are you getting, my dear students? Yeah. Next, I will go for once again. Here there is one more kind of signal is there. One green signal is there. Here list of programs are available for you. Which one I want to say? Swap. Click on that. It is entering 2 plus 3J. 2 plus 3J. And the next is called what? 123. 2 plus 3J, 123, 123, 2 plus 3J. Are you getting, my dear students? Yes. So this is called what? Swapping of any type of value. Which ID I used it? PyCharm. So can you download after going to home? Yes. Try to work on many things like driving of different cars. It's like a habit. But all the driving require what? Programming is required. Okay. So students in the online, are you comfortable with this? Abhinav, if you ask this question, it's so inconvenient for me. Abhinav, it's very much inconvenient. If you ask this question, really an inconvenient for me if this question is asking. Print of minus hyphen 50. Sir, why? For Abhinav purpose, I have to say again. This line called a single line printed how many times? 50 times. No, Tajuddin, it is not decoration. He is asking why. What is this? It is saying printing this for how many times? If you say in the interview point of view, why do you use and what is the meaning of it? If you say decoration, they will ask you who is your faculty. So I'm not telling any decorative points here, right? So I'm saying here I explain the symbol, what is that? Is repeated and printed or displayed. How many times? 50 times. That is 50 times. This is what I would like to say. This is what I would like to say. Are you able to get me? Yes. So I hope that, Abhinav, I hope you understand this point. Go to this place and we executed this. Are you okay, students? Can I move forward? Good. So which operator next I need to go for it? Which operators I will go for it next? Another operator I will take it. What is this? Relational operators I will go for it. Shall I? Start. Relational operators, not logical operators. Yes. Now I am going for relational operators. I am going for relational operators. I am going for. This is also one of the important concept in the programming. Look at carefully. Try to watch it. So suppose two people's marks I want to compare. Your marks and your friend marks want to compare and want to decide who got more marks and who got less marks and who got equal marks. What is this concept called? Comparison? Na? To compare two values or two quantities, I will go for in any language which operators? Relational operators. Come on, say what is the purpose of relational operators? Comparison of values. So the next I am writing the purpose of always first line is always operators meaning and purpose. The purpose of relational operators is that to compare what is that? Two values. To compare what? Two values. That's it. The result of relational operators, or I can write it. If two or more values connected with two or more values are what? Variables connected with which operators? Relational operators. Come on, what I told you already. Relational operators. Then it is called. Forget already. Relational expression. This is a very important for me in the programming. Every moment of it, every statement is most important. If two or more values or variables connected with relational operators, then it is called which expression? Yeah. Relational expression, the result of, this is a very important point. The result of relational expression is either, come on, true or what? False. The result of relational expression is either true or false. Always keep in mind. Come on, straightforward. Come on, come to the point of it. Straightforward, coming to the tester. What is this? A is equal to what? 100. B is equal to what? 20. C is equal to A greater than B. C is equal to A greater than B. 100 greater than 20. 100 greater than 20. Don't look at me, say the answer. True. It is going to be called true. See that value of C. If I print a value of C, it is going to be called what? True. So this is called which expression? Relational expression it is called. Which expression? Relational expression. If I write the same thing as what? A less than B, what is the answer? False. Answer is called false. Like that, I will write it. Go to the point back, I will write it. So always keep in mind, relational expressions are always used for decision making purpose. Always used for what? Decision making purpose. And they helps us for taking decisions. For taking what? Decisions. Or helps us taking decisions. So decision making purpose, I will use true and false values very carefully and very perfectly. Now in Python programming, I can say the relational operators are given. The relational operators are given in the following table. The relational operators are given in the following table. So let us go for the relational operators now. I will write the relational operators, students. Let us carefully understand. Relational operators, I will take it. Let us carefully follow. So I'm taking that. Watch this. What is that? Serial number. Next is called a symbol. Symbol, I will take it. Next I am taking meaning. Next I am taking example. Let us see the example. Okay, even A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Just try to take C is equal to 10. No problem. First operator is what, ma? First operator is symbol name is called like this. And I will write, you already know that. I need not to say anything about that. Greater than. Come on, say quickly. A greater than B, answer please. Don't waste the time. Don't waste it. A comma B. Answer is false. Now I am writing here A, or I can say B greater than C. Answer is true. Answer is true. Don't wait. Second I am going for, this is the first one. Second one I will go for less than. So I am writing here less than. Come on, print. I say print statement. Print of A less than B. Quickly. True. And I will write it one more example. There only I can say print of I say here A less than C. No idea about, right? 10 less than 10, true na false? False only. Why you are thinking like Microsoft Bill Gates? Next, come on to the next part. Is equal to. Is equal to. What is this? Equality operator we can call. What is that operator? Equality operator. That is nothing but equality operator. Come on, I say here print of A double equal to B. So some people will ask a question. What is the difference between equal to and double equal to? Yes, please. Equal to is called assignment operator. This is called what? Equality operator. We can have single assignment as well as multi-line assignment. This one is called what? Equality operator. Comparison of equality of two values. If the values are equal, returns true. If the values are not equal, returns false. Simple. Once we take certain part of it, you need to know perfectly about that. Okay. Now I am going to take next part is called like this. Print of, come on. A double equal to be true na false I think. If I believe it is very difficult. Myself only wrote, you said. You said or I wrote? Myself wrote. You also said. You only said. Otherwise I don't write it. A is equal to C. True. True. Good. Next, go to the another part of it. Important, that is double equal to operator. Important. Next, I will take it not equal to. What is that? Spell out. Not equal to. Not equal to. Already you know this. Today you are not learning anything special in my class. A not equal to B. True. True. You are writing once again here. You are writing once again here. A not equal to C. Very good. I will ask one complex question. Nobody can answer it. Nobody can answer it. Wait for that. Wait for that. Nobody can answer it. Students in the online, are you following? Yes. Greater than or equal to? Greater than or equal to? Greater than or equal to? Or equal to. Okay. Not this question. You can answer this. I am going to ask that. I am going to answer that. A greater than or equal to B. A greater than or equal to B. Come on. True na false? True, raise the hands. I want to give Kit Kat chocolate. Write imposition 200 times. What is the value of A? 10. 10 greater than or equal to 20. 10 greater than or equal to 20. First you consider greater. First of all, is it greater? Yes, sir. 10 greater than 20. Is it true? False. Equal to also you take it. Is it equal to? False, false is nothing but false only, no? Where is the true? Negligence, yeah? Negligence. Come on, next. Next, print of A greater than or equal to C. Don't follow the online students. True or false? Very good. True. Why true? Equal to is there, na? Equal to is there. So please, because this I don't want to go for play with you. Actually, being an engineering student, if you stand up, I will ask you 2 or 3 questions and greater than, less than, you will definitely say wrong answer. Anybody want to test by yourself? Anybody want to test by yourself? All of you. Anybody want to test? You feel that you are most intelligent, stand up. 2, 3 questions I will ask on greater than, less than. You stand up once, you will definitely say wrong. Actually, this is supposed to be there at which level? Second class, third class, fourth class mathematics level we have. 2 boxes are there. Greater than, less than symbol we need to insert. Anybody else? I hope girls will stand up. We don't do that good job, right? Boys, who will stand up? You. You are fearing a lot. Stand up. No problem. He is a more committed student. He will come so early to the class. I like his sincerity. Like me only, he will come 5 minutes before to the class. What is your name, ma? Kiran. Kiran. First question. 100 greater than or equal to 25. 100 greater than or equal to 25. Don't write in the hand. 100 greater than or equal to 25. False. Sit down. Don't do it tension. 100 greater than or equal to 25. No, wait. If you say I will make you to stand up. Anybody want to test your luck, you can stand up. You? Stand up. -6 greater than or equal to minus. Don't fold the hands. -6 greater than or equal to -66. True, that is. -6 is greater than -66 now. So see that. First ball only out. Both of you out. In 1 over 2 wickets I got. I want girls wicket also. 1 girl. Who is ready? Sir, you need not to bowl, sir. By default out, sir. Anybody else this side? You want to? Okay. -6 greater than or equal to -2. Sure. Yes. -44 greater than or equal to -0. False. Okay. He is saying something. He is saying wrong to you. Okay. 0 greater than or equal to -2. -22 greater than or equal to -22 by 22. -22 greater than or equal to -22 by 2. False. False. Okay. 4 greater than or equal to 2. True. 2 greater than or equal to 0. True. Okay. Capital app. Now I will go for your good. Numbers you are good. Now I am going for strings. Capital apple greater than or equal to small apple. 1 minute. Why you are so tense? I will play with you daily. Because some students who are in the online, they are executing this. They are there now. Parallelly, they are doing that. I cannot see their screen now. They are seeing the screen and they are saying answer. That type of things also happening. That is only I am asking. Big Apple, capital letters, Big Apple. Don't go for that. If I say this, actually people will commit mistake. Apply. Anybody? Very good. So, Big Apple, you are also saying like me as a teacher. Now see, I kept in double quotes. Double quotes means as it is printed. I should remove that. It is called what? Right. So, it is going to give you, I have to write like this. I have to write like this. I have to write, this is one string. This is called another string. Like this I need to write or not? This is called false. Why? Internally, Unicode values are comparing. ASCII code. Capital alphabet starts from 65. Small alphabet starts from 97. Definitely 65 greater than 97 is false. Capital alphabets definitely will contain less values. Small alphabets definitely contains like that. Okay, now? So see, somewhere else or the other you got numbers, you are good, but strings. Okay, understand strings also now? Good. Right, mom. So like that you should not, because of my questions, you should not shake because of my questions. Shall we move forward, students? Yeah, good question. Yeah, good session, Tajuddin. Thank you, mom. So let us move to the further. Last, because this type of questions will come in interview point of view. Last and final question I want to ask you. Apple. Both are same means 0. 0 greater than 0. 0 greater than 0. 0 na. Who is the brother of the Rosam? 0 greater than 0. 0. Yeah, correct only. Who is that? 0 greater than 0. 0. Correct only. That is called false. False only, na? But I did not convert into int type. So it is going to be called as what? False. Are you understanding? Yes. Now I am writing like this. Now to answer my question. Come on. True. Why? Small a. Small a is having a bigger value. 97 internally. Capital A. Yes. So definitely it is going to be true. Because these questions are coming in interview means you should be able to understand. Okay, students? Good. So coming to that now. Still more powerful question is there with me. More powerful question is there with me. I will ask that questions, not now. At this present, don't worry. Last and final, sixth one is there. What is that? Come on, ma. Less than or equal to. What is this now? Less than or equal to. Or equal to. So I say there. So I say this. Print of a less than or equal to b. Come on, students. What are the a and b values I set? 10 and 20. Come on, ma. True. True. And one more thing is print of a less than or equal to c. Come on. True na false? True. True. Right. A less than or equal to b. That is called true. But I want to take one value called what? You know, -2. -2, please. That time it is called what? False. What is the value of a? 10. 10 less than or equal to -2. False. Here a less than or equal to c is what? True. Are you okay? Fine. This is what operators? Relational operator. these are very, very important in our looping statement, if statement, while loop statements. They are very, very important. Shall we do one code? Write down. Write a Python program. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which demonstrates the concept of 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 relational operators, which demonstrates the concept of relational operators, which demonstrates the concept of relational operators. Shall we go for relational operators concept? Yeah, let's go. So I will go to the PyCharm once again. PyCharm. Shall I go to the PyCharm here? Yes. So let us go to the PyCharm here. So try to understand me carefully. Try to understand me. So I'm going to say here. I'm going to say. So coming to this, dear students, I'm going to take this values here. Now I'm going to give you the clarity on this program. So let us go to the next program. What is my next program I want? Come on, new. And what is my project? Okay, ROP.py. ROP.py. Next program I am taking. Next program I am going to take it. Next program I am going to take it. Tell me, students. So this program demonstrates which operators? Relational operators. Relational operators. So on multiple ways we are doing. In Edit Plus you can do, ideally you can do, Jupyter Notebook you can do, PyCharm you can do, in many of VS Code you can do. VS Code also I will introduce. Okay, come on, take the values here. What is this now? Int of, input of, come on fast, enter value of what? A. Enter value of A. Okay, next I will take it, enter the value of B. Okay, students, enter the value of B. I'm taking B. I'm taking B. Okay, now I'm going to say here, now I'm going to say some symbol I want to be repeated for some 60 times. In middle of it, I want to show you the result. What I'm going to say, the results of which operators? Relational operators. Relational operators. So I'm saying there, print of, come on, I am saying that I say this part of it, which is symbol first, greater than symbol. I am saying that is equal to like this, dot format of A comma B comma A greater than B. A comma B comma A greater than B. Did you understand? Yes. If I enter A and B, depends on my A and B, that A and B value decision will be taken. The decision will be substituted here in this case, either a true or false. Getting me, guys? Fine. Let us execute up to here, ma. Let us execute up to here. I want to execute this now. I want to execute this part. So let us go for run ROP. Run ROP. Now see the result. 100 and then 20. I will say, what is this value? 100 greater than 20. True. 100 greater than 20. True. To run it once again, I will say something like I'll enter the value called 10. I will enter the value called 200. I will get it 100 greater than 200 is called what? False. So depends on your input, true or false will be coming. Similarly, I can apply simply here. I can say which one I will apply. Come on, students. Less than I am applying. Less than symbol I am applying. Remove this and say here what? Less than you apply. Next I will apply next what symbol? Equal to, double equal to you apply. Double equal to you apply. See this now. And up to here you try to run it. Try to run, students, up to here. Enter the value of A 100. Enter the value of B 100. 100 and 100 is last one you see. 100 and 100 is what? True. 100 less than 100 is false. 100 greater than 100 is what? False. Are you okay? So just every moment of it, I am just demonstrating this. Next is called what here? Not equal to, I will write it. Not equal to, I will write it. A not equal to B. A not equal to B. Just for a minute, you want to execute once. What is this symbol? A not equal to B. Just for a minute, you execute it and then say A value is called 10, B value called 20. Let us watch it. A greater than 20, 10 greater than 20, false. 10 less than 20, true. 10 is equal to 20, false. 10 not equal to 20, true. All the operators are applying on this particular area. So let us go to the part of it where it is. Yeah. Go to the next part of it, ma'am. I say next operators try to apply. What is the next operator? Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, I say. Next, less than or equal to, I will apply. Less than or equal to, I will apply. See that less than or equal to, I will apply. Yes. Now you execute it. Now you execute it. Ma? Oh, less than or equal to. Okay. Okay. So say, okay, that I just, let me close this. I'll go to this place. I say less than or equal to. Less than or equal to symbol I need to apply. Less than or equal to. Save it and say like this. Now enter the value of A 34 and then something like 23. You'll be getting all these values are coming. Depends on your values, true or false, false or true, the values are coming. Are you understanding? Yes. So not a difficult and you are already familiar with it. So be perfect in this program and the operators here is this kind of thing. But one small note point I would like to give you. Note point, because we are getting in the some of the written test point of view like this. In Python 2.x version, be careful ma, 2.x version. This was the symbol, diamond symbol. This was the symbol used for what, not equal to purpose they used to use in 2.x. In 2.x, this symbol is for what? Not equal. See that A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Whenever I apply A, diamond operator of B, answer is called what, true. But in the Python 3.x, this operator is totally removed. In written test point of view, they may ask this because some of the companies will copy some FAQs from the internet and they will put it in their question paper. So old version papers, when they are coming, just straightforward say that wrong question, or you say that it is a Python 2.x version kind of thing. Understand? So this operator is not there in the Python 3.x, because when you are go through some internet or somewhere, you may come across this symbol. That's why I'm just telling to you. And this is not necessary to remember. Just I'm bringing to your notice. So not equal to operator, as usual, they brought into the simplest format like our previous languages. Okay, students, easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. So coming to the point of it, this is which operators, ma? Relational operators, we understand. Relational operators, we got it. Next, I want to go for one more operator category, that is called what? Logical operators, I want to tell you. Shall we go for logical operators? Good. Coming to the point back, logical operators I am applying. So let me speak to the online students. Students who are in the online, are you understanding, my dear students? Quickly. Is it relational operators are clear? Okay. Is good. Okay. Very good response. Now coming to the logical operators. Very simple. Why do we use logical operators? For example, before going to write it, let me give my requirement once. Understand everything based on the requirement. My requirement is to select the candidate, to select student as an employee, So what is my company requirement? My company condition is student should know language is equal to Python. Language is equal to Python. You need to know Python. Next, you need to know database. database. You need to know the database called what? Oracle. And you need to know one OS. You need to know. What is that OS? For example, you need to know Unix, or you need to know Linux, or you need to know something like Windows OS, something like this. Any OS, I can say assume that Unix. So you tell me, when you come to me, how many things I have to check with you? Three na? Tell me, how do you check it, ma? Tell me. Language is equal to what? Python. I asked you, this is one condition or not? This is called what? Tell me, this is called one relational expression. Am I correct? How do you say it is a relational expression? Double equal to operator is called what? Relational operator. So it is known as relational expression. Okay. Do you know Python? Yes. Next, I need to go for one more condition is there or not? What is that? Database is equal to Oracle. Do you know Oracle? Suppose you don't know. That means this is you know, this you don't know. Combinedly, I need to take one decision or not? That means first expression result, second expression result should combine. That is required logical operators. Logical operators are used for combining two or more relational expressions. So I will write one logical operator. I will write it. Logical operator. I will write what are the names of the logical operator. One more is what, ma? Logical operator. I will use it. What is the logical operator? I will use it. I will tell you the list of logical operators which are available. OS is equal to what? You know, Linux. For example, you know Linux. If all the three, first one I have to consider, second one I have to consider, third one I have to consider. Relational expressions are connecting two variables with greater than, less than, etc., which I wrote. Now here, relational expressions itself are combining together as a single condition. That time I will use which operator? Logical operator I will use it. The logical operators can be, one is called what? And, A-N-D. One more is called what? Or. One more is called what? Not. And or not. In other languages, and is available in the double ampersand, or is available in the two vertical symbols, and not is available something like the exclamation mark. And since it is a Python, these symbols are not there. They are given in the form of like this. How and is working, how or is working, how not is working, I want to explain. Internally how they will work, I will explain. Shall we move, students? Yes. What is my condition? You should know Python, you should know Oracle, you should know Unix. How many conditions I have to satisfy? All of them has to be true. Then only I will select you. So I will write what here? And means what? Left side should be satisfied, right side should be satisfied. And is true. Left is true, right is true. And is true. Both true and is true. In English also, if you see the English line, you can apply anda, ara. And this is also a very complex problem to the student to decide anda, ara. I'm asking one question. What is they are asking? I want the students who knows either Java or Oracle. I want to know the students who know Python or Java. The word itself says, any one of it, if you know, I will select it. What I will write it? Language is equal to Python or language is equal to Java. Either you satisfy left or you satisfy right. Anyone is satisfied or is true. Nothing is satisfied in both R and it is not going to be satisfied at all. Understand? Huh? What, students, are you okay? Suppose your student is written 5 subjects. If all 5 subjects are passed, then only true. Then only pass. Otherwise what? So at least one subject is fail. Student is fail. At least means what? I should say first subject 1 greater than 40 marks. Subject 2 greater than 40, subject 3 40, subject 4 40, all 40 greater. Then only it is called what? Pass. Any one of the subject is less than 40. What is that? Fail. So you will use or under. Come on. Huh? That is wrong. Whatever, not only you take any student, they are not good in and or. You take and, for example. Subject 1, 99, subject 2, 99, all subject and all of them are 99, 99, 99. Last one is what? 39, you got it. Apply. 99 greater than 40, true. And second subject, 99 greater than 40, true. True, 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 true. 4 truths, true. Last one, what is the answer? False. False means it is going to else part or other part or not. That means you are saying pass. You apply or operator now. R. 5 times first one. First 5. True. Last is what? True or false? R operator. True. Fail. మనకు అర్థం అవ్వదు, మనకు అంత తొందరగా అర్థమవుతాయి ఎట్లే ఇంకేంటి? we won't understand that much quick. R operator says either left side or right side, anyone is true, result is true. Anyone is true, result is true. How many conditions are there? 5. How many are true? Last one, what is the result? True. Means what? Fail. And operation you take it, all of them are true, result is true. Otherwise what? 4 are true, last one is false, and operator. What is the result? False means what? You are printing pass. First of all, to use and or, it should work first. Of course, it is always working with you, but according to the program, it should work. And not only you, I am seeing from so many years together, 24, 25 years, I am seeing. Why student will get doubt? And regarding true and false, regarding this and or, be careful and try to understand. And I will do this marks memo, university marks memo, how to display using Python program also I will explain. Okay, anyhow, try to understand. I will go for it. Tell me, what is the purpose of logical operators? Tell me, boss. The purpose of logical operators is that to combine two or more relational expressions. 2 or more relational expressions. That's it. 2 or more relational expressions. And if 2 or more relational expressions, 2 or more relational expressions are connected with what? Logical operators, then it is called come on, logical expression. Okay, what is the result of logical expression? The result of what? Logical expression. The result of what? Logical expression is either what? True or what? False. True or false. Logical expression is also called logical expression. Also called compound condition, we can call. Compound condition means what? Multiple conditions. Compound condition. Multiple conditions are treated as what? Single condition. That is known as what? Compound condition. Shall we go for that next? Good. We have three types of what operators? Logical operators. They are what is the first one? And B is what? Or C is what? Not. 1 minute. 3 operators, and they are given in the following table. I will write like this because you people should write the notes also, na? That's why I will write in the table format. I will write in the table format. I will write in the table format. Look at that. So there I am writing, serial number. Next I am writing meaning. Next I am writing, come on, symbol I am writing here, symbol I am writing. Fine students, symbol. Okay, meaning. Example I will give you separately. Yeah, let us go to that number 1. What is the symbol here? And what is the meaning? And so it is called what? Physical ending. Actually, this is one of the most important word, physical ending. Logical ending is there, physical ending is there. I will explain that. Second one is called what? Or. Physical oring, this is. Physical oring. Next is called what? Not. What is this is called? Physical nata. Very dangerous English you have. So is not, one day you said not is something you said. So this is called something like what, operators. How many operators in logical? 3. Number 1 and or not. Now I want to go for the first one is called what? And operator I want to explain. How this and operator is working? Very simple. Internally, and operator works with some truth table, it will work. And operator works with one truth table. I will write it. The functionality of and operator is shown and operator, the functionality of and operator is shown in the following truth table. This is nothing but like an AND gate it is. AND gate. Have you heard about gates? Computer organization, microprocessor, electronics, AND gate. Come on to the point of it. There we have certain table I am writing. What is the table I am taking here? Yes, look at that. There I am taking like this. What is this now? Relational AXPR1, relational expression 1, relational expression 2. I am writing relational expression 1 or relational expression 2. Relational expression 1, relational expression 2. Now I am writing. Tell me, I am writing relational expression. And I need to write. What is that first one? Relational expression 1. Next is called what? Relational expression 2. I am combining. The English meaning of and. Truth table for a few minutes, you keep it aside. And means what? I want a left side plus I want right side. I want a pen and a pencil. If anyone is not there, I don't take it. Am I correct? I want what? Pen and pencil. Both of them I want. Pen is true. Pen is there. True. Pencil is there. True. True and true. Yes, I will take. Pen is there. True. Pencil is not there. False. I don't take it. Are you getting my part? Yes. So I want the student who knows Python. I want to take the student who knows Oracle. I want to know who knows the Linux. 3 things I want at a time. 3 things I want to satisfy. Which operator? And operator. Come on. And operator. This is going to be what? True. 1 minute ma. I will write the combinations, please. False. False. And next is what ma? True. And the next is false. And this is also false. And the last one I will write combinations I wrote ma. Possibilities I wrote. Now apply. Apply, students. False and false. False and false, true. True and false. False. False or true? Very good. False or false? True and true. Very good. Understand? Yes. Come on to the point of execution. Examples. Examples I am taking. Be careful. Be careful. Go to the tester, please. Go to the tester, please. Print of 100 greater than 20 and 20 greater than 10. Now, why this much time? 100 greater than 10, 20, true. 20 greater than 10, true. What is the symbol? And true and true. Yes. Simple, no confusion. Like this. Come on, now I am writing 100 less than 20. Why false? First one is what? False. Right side is what? True. What is the operator? What is the symbol now? False. Right. Very good. Done. Are you okay, students? Next time writing 100 not equal to 20, 20, 20, 20 not equal to 20. True. 100 not equal to 20. True. 20 not equal to 20. What is the symbol? True and false. Okay. Very easy, guys. Done. Okay. Last. 20 not equal to 20 and 20 not equal to 20. Because sir asked two things, false. Sir definitely will ask a true related answer like that. Right. Answer is what? Right. So, understand? Fine. So you are more better if you ask outside people, they will run away. By saying wrong thing, they will run away. Okay, anyway, no problem. I'll write it. This is done. Shall I move forward? Yes. Now, there is one powerful question is there. Very shortly, after making you perfect, I will give you the question for that. This is one thing. And operator. This is something like this. So students in the online, are you perfect in this and operator? Students in the online, are you perfect in this answers? Very good. Good. Yes. Clear. Next, I'll go for what operator? OR operator. Name itself says either left is okay or right is okay. Anyone is not okay. One is okay, one is not okay. It is no problem. Both of them are not okay. I will go to a shop. Either give me a pen or give me a pencil. He said, pen is there, pencil is not there. Pen is there means true. Pencil is not there means false. Okay. Take it. True. Both of them are not there. False pen, false pencil. False and false. Right. Are you following? Right. So I will go to this. I'll go to OR operator. OR operator, I will take it. Very, very easy. Look at. So I will write it here. Second one is called what? OR operator. OR operator. The functionality or OR operator is shown in the following truth table. Come on, I will apply what here, ma? OR. Let me remove this and answer my questions carefully. Don't answer wrong. True or false? Okay, false or true? False. True. True. Very good. So this is good. Okay, this is very simple. Even small kid also can say. When you come to example, then actual colors will come out. Ready to tell wrong answer, right? Print of. Okay, print of. Now I am writing OR. True or false? True. Good. Why true? First one is? First one. First one, true, or second one, true or false? True. True or false? See, any one is true, result is true. Both of them are false, result is false. Right. So answer is what? True. Next I am going to write it. 100 less than or equal to 100 less than or equal to 2 not equal to 20. Ma? Say correct. Correct. They are fearing. 100 less than or equal to 20. False. 2 not equal to 20. True. One false, one true. Yes. Don't study my mindset. Sir is looking false in mood or true in mood. You are very intelligent in reading the mindset of the sir also. But I never show like that mindset in my face. So I will ask everything in different way because I also came from your chair only now. That's why I'm standing in front of you. Okay. So 100 greater than or equal to 100 greater than or equal to minus 2 minus 12 double equal to not equal to minus 12. True na false? True. Okay. Okay. 100 double equal to think. And 3 times 2 came, last sir will ask false like that. Come on. Sure. First one, false. Next one, false or false? Very good. Very good, huh? Good. So good students. Now you see examples. Now I would like to ask you one small question. I would like to say one small tip for you. Okay. Let us watch. When you taken first one, or I will take specially next one I will take it. See, print of 10 not equal to 2 or 100 greater than or equal to 200. No, wait, I'm not asking you. Be careful, wait. See this, students. Here, how many relational expressions I have? 2 I have. First one is what, ma? True. When first one is true, PVM will not go to the second one at all. Why, sir? The result is going to be simply called as true only. That will take. When first condition is true, in the case of OR operator, it will not go to the second condition at all. Simply decision is taken as a true because it minimizes the execution time. Why, sir? Suppose if it is a false or true, anyone, whether it is false or true, it will be second one is going to be either false or true. Suppose if it is a true and false, what is the result, ma? If the result is next time true, what is the result is also? So if it is a true or false, result is going to be what? So what is the need of going for second one? Am I correct? When first, in the case of OR operator, when we have multiple relational expressions, when first one is true, remaining expressions will not be evaluated. And the result of the total logical expression is considered as a true. That is called short circuit evaluation. Short in decision making. Are you following? Right. You go to a sweet shop. So many sweets are there. You will taste one sweet and decide that a good shop. You will see one taste sweet and not in good taste. You will say not good. Will you taste all the sweets? No. Don't tell the sweet example in interviews. So short circuit evaluation, they will ask you, what is a short circuit evaluation in the case of OR operator? You have to answer. How many expressions? 10 relational expressions are there connected with what operator? OR operator. First one is true. Will the 9 expressions evaluated? First one true, ma. All of them are false, 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 false. And one true. One true with all falses? True. One true, 8 false, 8 true. True only. So when first one is true, will it go to the remaining expressions? It will not go. That is called what? Short circuit evaluation. Spell out. Yeah, short, SHORT, short circuit evaluation, short circuit evaluation. This is generally available in C language, C++, Java, .NET, in every programming language. So simply called as what? What is this? First one is true. Remaining one will not be evaluated at all. Okay, students. Okay. Next, go to that. I will say AND operator I am going to take. AND operator. 10 less than or equal to, I say like this. First one is what? Come on. False. When first one is false in the case of AND, result is simply taken as false only. Why? Because whether it is a true or false, it doesn't make any sense there. Simply made as what? In the case of AND operator, when the first expression is going to be called a false, remaining expressions also considered as what? False only. This is called what? Short circuit evaluation. I have 100 expressions are there connected with AND operator. First one is true. First one is false. Remaining will not be checked at all. What there? False. Even though remaining them are true, false with truths. False with remaining them are false. What is the result? So what is the need of checking 2 to 99? Understand? What is the short circuit evaluation will be applied at true level, R level and AND level. I hope you are following me. So go students here. Okay, I will press enter key here. See that answer here like this. Let us go back here. I am going to write it. See my students, and now note point I am writing. Note the short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation in the case of OR operator is that if OR operator is connected with n relational expressions, and if first relational expression is true, then remaining relational expressions will not be evaluated, and the result is considered as what? Come on guys, result is considered as what? True. In the case of what? Or you have a doubt. Sir, I have 100, sir. First 49 false, 50 true. First 49 false. First one is false. Definitely it will go to second. Clearly understand. Relational operator or first one is false. It can't take the decision. Definitely it will depend on what? Second. Second also what? False up to how many? 49. 49 falses are nothing but false only. 51 is what? True. What is the result? Up to 50, what is the result? True. Remaining 50 will not be evaluated. Why? Short circuited. Understand? First one is false. Definitely it will go to second, because on the basis of false of OR operator, it cannot decide. Definitely will go to second. Like that, I hope you understand the short circuit. Wherever result is going to be finalized, remaining results will not be considered. AND operator, you tell me. First one is false. 100 operations, 100 expressions are there. First one is false. Will you go to 99 evaluations? No. What is the result? AND operation. First one is true. Definitely it will go to second one. Because first is true, second one will not be decided in AND operation I am talking about. Understand, boys? 49 are true, 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 true. 50 is false. What is the result up to 50? Will the remaining will be evaluated? No. What is the result? That's it. Very important this is. Because internally to make the processor to take the quick decisions, they applied short circuit evaluation. This was invented by McCarty, McCarty. Nobody will ask. Once long time I was read Carty articles I read. He published that I invented this and everybody is following, and all of them are certified that he invented this concept of short circuit evaluation. They've applied that type of coding in the compilers level, execution level, and all those things. Okay, students. Now this is in the case of what operator, ma? OR operator. Next in the case of what operator? AND operator also I will write it. AND operator also I will take it. Note, the short circuit evaluation in the case of what operator? And I will write AND in quotes, ma, otherwise it will become English AND. In the case of what? OR. In the case of OR operator is that. In the case of what I am saying, AND operator is that if AND operator is connected with n relational expressions, and if the first relational expression is what? False, then remaining relational expressions will not be evaluated and the result is considered as what? Be careful. This is the short circuit evaluation concept. If anybody asks you short circuit evaluation, don't express the short circuit evaluation directly. Short circuit evaluation says what? Instead of evaluating completely, we will evaluate one or off and we will decide. That will come based on what? AND OR operators only. I hope you understand the meaning of this entire thing and you know this entire relational operator. What is the NOT? Opposite. Not of AND, not of OR. Not of AND is giving true, for example. Not of that result is? See, what is the result? Why you are taking that much time? What is the result? So today I am applying what? I am applying this everything, this applying. This is called what? Actually false, ma. This is called false. What I am writing here? What I am writing here? Not I am applying. Not of that. What is that? True. Not of not. Not of not, you say. Not of not. If you say true, not of you is called false. Opposite of Boolean value. So not operator, third one I will give you. That is, of course, there is no much meaning in that. One single answer I will write it. So not operator. So the third one is called not operator. So I'm writing here not operator. I'm writing not operator. What is this not operator? This operator gives opposite result of Boolean, opposite returns of Boolean value. That's it. Give the truth table of this OR operator. Truth table of not operator. The functionality of not operator, I am saying this. The functionality of this. Of what? Not operator. The functionality of not operator is shown below in the following truth table. I will take this. I need not write this entire big story. I will eliminate this part. See that? So say, remove this. Say, remove this entire thing. Not only this, just remove this, remove this, remove this. I say here, not. So this also remove, ma. Combinations already there. Na? Tell me, relational expression 1 is what? What is the relational expression 1? True. Not of relational expression 1. Relational expression 1 is what? Not of that. True. Not only to be applied on and or. See, print of 10 greater than 2. What is the answer? True, na? You say not you apply. Not of 10 greater than 2. False. Next I am writing 10 double equal to 2. 10 double equal to 2. Actual answer is false. Now I will write what? Not of. What is the answer? True. Easy. Not a difficult at all. Not a difficult at all. I will bring it. I'll just paste it. Example part. I'm going to take up. This is comes under what operators guides. Which operators? Which operators we learn today? Relational and what? Logical. Are you confident? Did you understand what I taught today? Yes, not of that operators, we understand. This is the case, how this is done. So I hope these operators are clear. And this operators is not only one day, daily that will come in front of you. Because in programming, I will use daily these operators. Okay now? So students who are in the online, is it understandable, students? Priyanka, regarding this, we will come across this example. Next class, I will give my time is over na. So 11:50, 10:54 now. Tomorrow class. I already gave one assignment, I think so. Try to do that. Okay, right. So Vishwa, that 11 a.m. batch is starting on Monday. Actually, today it is supposed to start. They just postponed to Monday. Monday 11 a.m. new batch is scheduled. According to the schedule, today it was there. Because of some small thing, it is postponed to Monday. Monday 11 o'clock, new batch will start. Right. So thank you. Good day. Right, ma'am. So I will post these examples. Try to practice it.